Yes, be ready. Start. International law is affected by the world becoming something bigger than the old narrow European community. Full stop. And as the Attorney General said, modern developments in science and the application of science in communications and in social structures affect our ways of life. International relationships as well as individual and group relations, and hence the need for a new concept of international law. Full stop. You have referred, Mr. Attorney General, to Panchsheel, the five principles which have been accepted by a number of countries of Asia and some countries outside Asia. Full stop. I claim so special virtue for them. Full stop. They are only some simple principles which, if adopted by nations in regard to international relationship, will not only lead us away from war but will establish healthy relationships. Full stop. They are really simple, and I do not see how anyone anywhere can object to any of them. The recognition of sovereignty, non-aggression, non-interference in internal affairs. Full stop. When a country does not conform to these principles, it is misbehaving and interfering. Full stop. It is not acting according to the real basis of international law, which consists of non-aggression, non-interference, recognition of sovereignty, mutual respect, all these leading up to peaceful coexistence. Full stop. Peaceful coexistence means coexistence of countries which differ in their policies. Full stop. There is no point in saying that two persons or two countries who agree should exist peacefully. Full stop. They do. Full stop. There is no point in my saying that I should be tolerant towards my neighbor if he and I have no reason to differ. Full stop. Next stanza. The question of my tolerating my neighbor and his tolerating me arises only when we differ. Full stop. The question of peaceful coexistence therefore comes in only when countries differ in their policies, provided always that they do not interfere with each other either internally or externally. Full stop. If they do, then that is a breach. Full stop. Therefore, I submit that these five principles, which are sometimes called Panchsheel, are a healthy basis for international relationships, and I would further say in all humility that there is no other basis unless you accept the basis which leads to conflict, which of course is not our objective. Full stop. Surely international law should not encourage any attempt to compel or coerce a country to do something against its will or to fall in line with something that will bring conflicts. Full stop. There is a great variety in this word. Full stop. Are we going to produce uniformity through some measures of force, military or economic? Question mark.